Tuluyan na nga kaming nabudol ng Kalimutan Festival because halos ito na lang ang laman ng social media feed namin the past few days. And sabi nga ng mga matatanda before, para di rin kapanudtulan, papasyalan na namin ang Kalimutan Festival. Ngayong 2025, masyadong nagtrending ang Kalimutan Festival because of the famous celebrities they invited this year. Yung iba, binabatikos ang probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat dahil sa mga ganitong expenses. But for me, I don't mind. What matters most is you see the people happy and enjoy the things they don't usually experience. By the way, Kalimutan is a festival in the province of Sultan Kudarat na ginaganap every third week of November. Para siyang equivalent ng Sinulog Festival ng Cebu Province. Kalimutan is a Magindanaon term that means gathering. Ang venue ng gathering is in the provincial capital of Sultan Kudarat, which is located in the municipality of Isulan. And as you can see guys, napakalawak ng kanilang area and isa sa kanilang mga attraction dito ay etong food bazaar. Madaming mapagpipilian ng mga pagkain dito guys. Magsasawa ka na lang and mauubusan ka na lang talaga ng baon na pera. And isa din sa mga attractions nila dito is itong Global Village which is participated by the different municipalities in Sultan Kudarat. Ang pinaka-highlight talaga ng any festival ay ang street dancing competition kung saan pinapakita ng iba't ibang municipalities ang kanilang kultura at likas na yaman. And lucky for us, yun ang event nila that night nung pumunta kami. Ito yung kanilang Global Village and super daming tao but konti pa daw ito because last night pumunta daw dito si Daniel Padilla and ang daming tao, umabot sila ng 600,000 festival goers. Dinayo namin ito mula pa kami sa probinsya ng North Cotabato, specifically from the municipality of Midsayap, and ang biyahe from our area to this place is nasa 1 to 2 hours depende sa traffic sa daan. So since this time, traffic papasok dito, inabot kami ng almost 2 hours bago kami dumating dito. And eto na guys, ang layo-layo ng nilakad namin from our parking area to the event itself.
Pauwi na kami, exercise malala ito. Ilang days na walking ni Anika ito.
Pero dahil ginusto namin to, bawal magreklamo. Until next time, see ya!